Good morning everybody and welcome in today's lesson. Let's start with our circle time songs.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them high. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to wrap them out.
Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
no little monkeys jumping on the bed. None fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
Put those monkeys back in bed.
Baby T-T-T-T-Rex, baby T-T-T-T-T-Rex, baby T-T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar! Mommy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, mommy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, mommy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
T-T-T-T-T-Rex, daddy T-T-T-T-T-Rex, daddy T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Grandma T-T-T-T-Rex, grandma T-T-T-T-Rex, grandma T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Grandpa T-T-T-T-Rex, Grandpa T-T-T-T-Rex, Grandpa T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, roar!
Let's go on T-T-T-T-Rex, let's go on T-T-T-T-Rex, let's go on T-T-T-T-Rex, let's go on! Away T-T-T-T-Rex, away T-T-T-T-Rex, away T-T-T-T-Rex, T-Rex, Sit down, let's T-T-T-T-Rex, sit down, let's T-T-T-T-Rex, sit down, let's T-T-T-T-Rex,
In our maths pack for week 4, we got a caterpillar that we had to build their body. Let's see if you can do it, and let's see each body part is a different color. See if you can recognize the color. Let's see if Teacher Meryl can build the body. Teacher Meryl, can you count and tell me which body part needs to start first? That is 1. Can you tell me the color? Yes, it's blue. Well done. Let's go on to number 2. Well done. Can you tell me the color? Green. Yes. Let's go to number 3. Purple. Well done. We've done 1, 2, 3 so far. Let's build further. Number 4. Well done. And which color is that? Orange. Yes. Let's go to 5 to finish our caterpillar's body. Well done, Teacher Meryl. And our last color is red. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I'm sure you did it at home too and got all the colors and numbers right. Today we're going to do our literacy outside. So we'll all go outside with the chalk that I gave you and either a bottle with water that we can spray or a wet cloth. Today we're doing our alphabet outside. So far we've learned A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Teacher Meryl is going to use her spray bottle, and if I say a letter, she will spray it. Let's see if she can recognize the letters. Teacher Meryl, can you see the letter E? See how it disappears? You can also use a wet cloth. Teacher Meryl, the letter C for cat. The letter G for giraffe. The letter A for apple. The letter F for fish. So you can do all the letters and have lots of fun with Mommy outside. Our shapes today is circles and ovals. In each pack you got wool to make your own oval and circle. Let's see if Teacher Meryl can do it as well as you did it at home. Teacher, will you start with your circle and see if you can put the wool and make a circle? Well done, Teacher Meryl. Well done. Now let's see if she can make an oval. I'm sure you did it just as well as Teacher Meryl did. Well done. Today we're ending our lesson with a story. Here comes Pickles. Today the park was full of pups. It's going to be a perfect day to play, yelled Pickle as he raced through the gates to join the fun. Peanut could hardly keep up. Wait for me, he puffed. Vincent was feeding the ducks. Yoo-hoo, Vincent, can I play? Yelled Pickle. Yes, said Vincent, you can have some of my bread. Pickle grabbed the bread and threw the whole loaf into the water. Whack! Cried the ducks. My bread! Cried Vincent, but Pickle was off. She had spotted something far more fun. Up on the hill, Chico and Chokey were flying a beautiful red kite. I bet I can fly as high as your kite, shouted Pickle. I caught your kite, she yelled. Look, you've broken it, called Chico and Chino. But before they could say anything else, Pickle was off. Under the trees, Crystal and Rocky were playing their guitar. I'll sing with you, trumpeted Pickle. Whoop, whoop, woo, boo, doo. I know the words. I can sing the loudest. Ah, cried Crystal. Too loud. Not cool, cried Rocky. Stop it. I'll sing with you, Pickle, said Peanut. but Pickled was spotted something far more fun. Charlie was juggling and balancing on his bike at the same time. "Look out, Pickled!" cried Zip and Zap as Pickled pushed past and landed crash in a big pile of angry pups. "Pickled!" howled the pups. "You always get it wrong. You always ruin everybody's fun. Just stay out of the way." Pickled walked slowly away. "I'm just no good at play," she sobbed. "Yes, you are," said a voice. It was Peanut. "Everybody's good at playing something." Just then, whoosh, a ball passed past them. Slam! Pickled caught it and threw it back. Whoosh! The ball passed again. Schwumped! Pickled curled it back. It was a brilliant catch. It was an amazing throw. And it gave Peanut a wonderful idea. "Just wait here," he cried. A crowd of pups had gathered around. "Woohoo!" thought Pickled. Then the pups began to speak. "You can throw," said Vincent. "You can catch," said Charlie. "You can yell," said Rocky. "You'll be excellent." "In goal!" "Thank you, Peanut," yelled everybody. "You made today's play perfect for everybody." Hope you had fun in today's lesson, and please remember to watch tomorrow's lesson. We're going to have some fun with the volcano that we made a week ago. See you tomorrow. Bye.